Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am iteshamarie. So today I'm going to be doing something just a little bit different. So while this is a hair video, I'm actually going to be styling my hair in this video. It is kind of a review because I am using a new tool that I'm going to show you guys. I did purchase this with my own money. This video is not sponsored or any of that. So today we're going to be putting some crimps. I don't know if they're still called crimps, waves. It's a waving iron that I have, but there's a specific look that I'm going for. So I'm gonna be using the Bedhead A Wave We Go ceramic waver. I'm pretty excited because I've never used a waving iron. So hopefully I like this one. If you guys are interested in seeing how this turns out, how I like this waving iron by Bedhead, then make sure you keep on watching. All right, so the hair that I have on right now this is actually an HD wig from the brand My Parfait, previously known as Hairtelligent. If you guys have been subscribed to me for some time, then you know that I did review this hair a few months ago, and this is actually the body wave texture. I love this texture so much because you can just like wear it in its natural state. You can straighten it straightens really well, but today, like I said, we're going to be waving it. So the first thing that I'm going to do is just go ahead and brush through this hair. It's not really tangled, but I just want to make sure that I have all of the kinks that may be in here out because I have been wearing this hair for 2 days. So, you know, it might be a little bit of tangles in there. We're all detangled, and let's go ahead and plug this bad boy in. All right, so while that's heating up, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my hair with this heat protectant. This is from Design Essentials, and it's their Agave and Lavender Blow Dry Silk Press collection, and it's a heat guard. So this ain't my hair, but I still want to make sure that I'm protecting the hair because, I mean, this ain't no cheap hair. And also, while this is heating up, looking at the back of the box, I did not know this, but it's showing that you can actually get different types of waves from this waving iron. So you can get tight waves, defined, loose, or tousled. So it shows that right down here at the bottom. I'm not quite sure how it's adjustable. I guess some of the things come out of it. I don't know, but I ain't got time for that right now. I just wanna wave my hair. So we're just gonna use it just how it comes and see how it turns out. So first thing I'm gonna do is take this off, because I don't need that. Yeah, I'm gonna section my hair off too. Don't mind my lace because yes, it is lifting over here. It's fine, you're not gonna see that anyway. So yeah, I'm just gonna section my hair so that we can work on the bottom first. I don't know how small of a section I should do, so I'm just gonna start out. Y'all, this is trial and error for real. So I'm just gonna start out with this section here. This is about like a 2-inch section, and it's heated all the way up to 400, and I'm just gonna start right here at the top and hope for the best. And I'm just going to move down in sections so you can see that it has a pattern starting like right there. And I'm just holding the hair kind of tight. And once I let it go, I move down into the next section. It'll be easier to show you guys once I'm in the front, but I'm hoping that this part turns out good. If it does turn out good, then this will actually be a good tutorial if you guys want to purchase this waving wand for yourself. All right, I'm gonna get all the way down to the bottom and then I'm gonna come right back. All right, so this is our first section, and that's how it looks all the way down to the bottom. It looks cute. Hopefully once I'm done with my whole head, it looks nice. So I'm just gonna do this whole section right here, and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all how it's looking. All right, so I got one side of the bottom half of my hair done, and so far it's looking cute. I'm liking it. So I pinned up the front bottom half of my hair because the back is a little bit more difficult to do, and I'm about to try to do this big chunk all in one section so I don't have to like keep doing the back. And I did do a big chunk on the other side and it worked out just fine. So it seems like I don't have to do really small sections like I thought I would, and that's gonna make this go faster. So I'm gonna show you guys how this works on a bigger section. So I'm just pulling it tight. And I'm gonna hold it there for about 7 seconds and I'm gonna let it go, move it down, go, move it down. And like I said, I like that I can do bigger sections because that's just gonna make this go a little bit faster than if I had to do all small sections. I am still gonna continue to do like semi-small sections in the front just so that it is more defined. The back, especially underneath in the back, I don't too much care about. Like I do want it waved, but it doesn't have to be like super perfect. One thing that I do want to come back and show y'all before I'm done with this section is that, like I said, I have this on 400 degrees and I'm finding that once I get like toward the ends of the hair, it's kind of starting to stick and it's burning the hair a little bit. And I think that's just because the ends of the hair are more fragile. And I'm seeing like the iron starting to smoke, and you see those spots like right here on this barrel, that's hair, that's burnt hair. So I'm gonna turn it down to 375, especially since I already have the back done, because I don't want to burn up my hair, girl. This is a good wig. So I'm gonna wipe my iron off, get that sticky hair off of it, because like I said, it's starting to stick and it's kind of pulling the waves apart as it's sticking because it's burning. So I'm gonna do that and wait till it cools down to 375 before I continue. Okay, you guys, I am all done. And what do y'all think? I am loving these crimps. Like, they look even better than I imagined. The only thing that I have an issue with, and it's not the crimping one's fault, it's actually my fault, is how I did the front of my hair. I like combed it all back and then I put my little wig band on, and I forgot to like comb it how I wanted it before I went in with the crimping iron. But honestly, it's fine. It still looks really, really good. Like, I crimped it all the way down to the bottom just so y'all can see how the bottom of it looks. But yes, it looks so good. I'm so happy with these results. Like, this looks amazing. This is probably one of my favorite Amazon purchases now. Like, this is so good. Like I said, I am gonna leave the link down below in the description box for you guys if you want to check this out for yourself. I highly, highly, highly recommend, because look at my hair. Like, look at it. This is so freaking cute. Like, I'm obsessed. I am obsessed. This might be my new style for the summer, y'all. Like, so yeah, the only thing that I would say to be careful of if you guys do purchase this crimping wand is no fault of the crimping wands. It's my own fault. I had it turned all the way up to 400 degrees, which was not necessary. I thought that it would be because I was going to do bigger sections. But be careful. I wouldn't recommend turning it all the way up to 400 degrees. I say at the most use it at 375, especially on the ends of your hair, because the ends of your hair are very fragile. If you are using this crimping wand on your hair on 400 degrees, I guarantee you are going to fry the ends of your hair. You may even fry the top of it, because I mean, you just don't need that much heat. 375 did the job. Like, I literally did most of my hair in 375. All of the top of it, like all of the front on the top, I did with 375, and the curling wand didn't stick. When I had it on 400 degrees, it was sticking, and that's how I knew that it was burning. I could smell it burning. And when I took the wand off of my hair, like y'all could see, there were like bits of burnt hair on it. So if you use that, please, please, please do not use it on 400 degrees. Also, make sure you are using a heat protectant. You don't have to use this one. This is just what I had around, so I just used it. You can always use like an oil heat protectant, a cream heat protectant, whatever works for you, but just make sure you're using a heat protectant pretty much anytime you're using heat on your hair, but especially this because this is direct heat and it gets pretty hot. One thing that inspired me to buy this crimper and do my hair like this is because I was watching an older video of mine where I had a wig. It was actually a synthetic wig that quite a few people ask me about every time I wear it. It's a synthetic wig and it has like these perfect crimps in it. And I'm like, I really love that wig, but it's synthetic, so it's not like I can just like keep wearing it because eventually it's just not gonna look good anymore. That's what inspired me to do this style, was an older wig that I have, but this looks so freaking good. Like I can't get over it. And I also did not spray like any type of holding spray, any type of hairspray in this hair to hold the crimps. They are very soft, like they don't feel crunchy at all, and it just looks so cute. Y'all, get this crimping wand because, oh my God. You don't have to do like the tight crimps like this if you don't want to. You can adjust this wand so that you can get bigger crimps, you can get looser crimps, you can get it tousled if you want to like run your fingers through it. And I feel like it's gonna be cute like even when they start to separate, but I think I like it best like this, to be honest with y'all. So yeah, that's my review of this little, it fell down, of this little bed head crimping wand. If you guys have any questions for me, then as always, leave them down below in the comments. I am more than happy to answer them for you guys. And if you like this type of content, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, girl, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click that subscribe button and also turn on your post notifications so that you're notified anytime I upload a new video. Yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching as always, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.